Unplugged, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. Need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with